In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop your animation playback in the viewer. By the end, you'll be able to watch your sequence repeat seamlessly so you can focus on timing, motion, and small details without constantly restarting. First, make sure the viewer window is open. This is the panel where playback actually happens, the live preview of your animation. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, look for the area that shows your frames or scene as it would appear during playback. That's your viewer. It's typically front and center in most layouts, and when it's active, you'll usually see an outline or focus ring around it that tells you it's ready to receive playback commands. Next, head to the bottom of the viewer to find the playback controls. These controls are often referred to as transport controls, and they include familiar buttons like play, pause, stop, and navigation icons for moving frame by frame. If the controls aren't immediately visible, try moving your mouse over the lower edge of the viewer. In some layouts, the controls stay hidden until you hover near them. You should also see indicators like current time or frame count nearby, which confirms you're looking in the right place. Now locate the loop button. It typically looks like two arrows forming a circle, signaling that playback will wrap back to the beginning when it reaches the end. When you click this button, it toggles loop mode on. Many interfaces highlight or light up the button when it's enabled, so take a quick glance to confirm it's active. If it looks dim or inactive, click it again to turn it on. Think of this as telling the viewer, don't stop at the end, start over automatically. With loop mode enabled, press play to start. You can also hit the spacebar, which is a common shortcut for play and pause in many creative apps. Once playback begins, your animation will run from start to finish, and instead of stopping, it will immediately repeat. This creates a continuous loop that's perfect for scrutinizing transitions, easing, and rhythm without any interruptions. Your animation will now repeat continuously until you stop it. This loop only affects how you preview the animation. It doesn't change your project or render settings. When you're done reviewing, simply stop playback, and if you prefer normal one-time playback later, toggle the loop